Now this is an interesting image processing functionality which has providing the OpenCV API. The mouse how to detect a mouse click and mouse either right click, left click, and whatever you are doing, we are doing with the mouse. So those events will go to capture so that it will be very useful in the robotic process to identify the where the mouse pointer is locating, so that it will capture a associated point and we can do whatever we want in the case of robotics. Now, I will read out what is the OpenCV example here. It is very simple to identify the mouse click. Now, the major core function which is which has a playing very key role in the process of mouse moves and mouse clicks, that is nothing but a callback function. That callback function will call by set mouse callback function, which was provided by OpenCV API. This set mouse callback function having it will take a few arguments. One is the name window, which contains the image and the callback function and the null. Now it's a callback function is the callback function is having the parameters on the event. The event, which event is the left button or right button and shift, or alt button or shift plus control left or right, and based on that, so the events are multiple events. We can go through the OpenCV SDK portal so that we can understand how many events will be there. But currently we will go through the existing one. Then one is the event when the mouse event we will receive, and the x and y coordinates values, and flags and user data. So now in this case, the basically capturing the callback function which mouse moves on the window, always callback function triggers. So that is the most important key feature which is including in the API. That means OpenCV API. Set mouse callback function is the key here. Now I'm going to explain line by line. It just here it is getting the image, or else it may be video or image or whatever the final is the image. We can handle in the video also. So that I'm creating the name window it which will display the image like a container. Now that container will go to need to assign into the set mouse callback function, and that is a callback function event on the assign. And now it is a image dot show is the function which will show the container. Now it is a image with the image. Anyway, wait key is a waiting the key till user is press any key. Now I'm going to execute this program. Let's see. Now we have image. So in the left hand, now you can see the values being moving here. Now it is moving. I'm going to move the mouse. I'm clicking right click and click, and whatever the click it will receive. Now I'm putting the right left right. Now I'm moving the image like that. Basically now I would like to show here is the coordinate. Now here the coordinate is x coordinate is like this, and y coordinate is this. So if you put in the mouse here, this is the needle. Now x is increasing while I am moving to the right hand as the in the upper corner of the window. Now if I moving into the below, then it is y axis is increasing. So this way we can identify the mouse capture mouse events in the OpenCV. The major key function is set mouse callback.